Hey everyone, this is Ryan Brooks with Field Agent. In today's video, I'm going to quickly walk through our Ratings and Reviews Manager powered by Plum. This is a tool you can use to manage your ratings and reviews that you've purchased using Field Agent's Plum platform. To access this tool, you want to log in to your Plum account. From here, you can scroll over to the left-hand side and find your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the Ratings and Reviews Manager. The Ratings and Reviews Manager gives you all the important information on your ratings and reviews programs at a glance. You'll be able to see the number of reviews you've received, the average star ratings of those reviews, and the number of projects that were launched under any given program. To dive deeper into any of these projects, simply click More Info, and you'll be able to see more info on the projects within that program. You can deep dive into the results of the program by clicking into that specific project and seeing all the data involved. But that's going to do it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions about our ratings and reviews programs or how to build a ratings and reviews project using Plum, feel free to reach out to hello@plumshop.com.